Happy National Deaf LGBTQ Awareness Week. Today we're going to discuss how to put captions into your video. It's very simple. It uses the automatic captions that you already get with YouTube, and you can just download them and put them straight in. It's just a very simple way to make sure that your video is accessible. So you'll go to your YouTube studio, and you go to your videos, and then you'll choose your video, and then you'll go up to the top and more options. You'll take the already English by YouTube automatic captions after you've selected English and shows you in your caption certification. You'll download the automatic captions. You can see here. Download them right there, and you'll save them, but you'll open them with, you'll have to choose, you're going to choose text edit on a Mac or Notepad or whatever very simple word editor you'll have, word processor you have. So text edit is great. You open it up, and you'll have this time-coded file. And this time-coded file is pretty easy to use. You just go through and play your video and change the text as needed. There's one more step to this. You'll have to go to more options again and go back to that upload subtitles, closed caption down at the bottom, and upload those captions. You'll find them in your documents folder, and you're going to upload them with timing. That's a really important part. So you'll upload them, that captions.sbv file, and we're doing captions-2, and we're going to save it, and then we're going to delete the captions that were there previously. And that's it. You save it, and you're done. Happy National Deaf LGBTQ Awareness Week. If you like this, like, comment, or subscribe.